Hey guys, happy Monday and welcome back to another week in the life vlog. As you can see, I am still home in New York and this vlog will be taking place from here again. Super excited to kick off another week here at home and to get a lot of stuff done. I felt like I got so much done last week being back at home, but I didn't vlog much today because I was behind my computer literally all day sending emails, working on different projects and things like that. So I didn't really film too much of it, but it's around 4:30 p.m. on Monday. Dave and I are getting ready to wrap up our day and we're gonna start making dinner and working on some things like that. So I'll bring you along for the fun and excited to bring you guys along for another fun week. So Dave and I are just headed out really quickly to our local grocery store and we're gonna pick up a few things to make for dinner. So we just got back from the grocery store. We got some chicken breasts and I am going to attempt to make some chicken rub and a grilled chicken, so we'll see how this goes. Hey guys, so I just wanted to check in with you all. It's been raining a lot here in New York today. I just had a call with one of my consulting clients and now I've been working behind my computer. It's so dark in here because of the rain and my computer was shining over the light on my glasses. But I've been working behind my computer and now I'm just gonna go edit a few TikToks and work on some other things and then probably edit some Instagrams and some stuff for the website. So that is what my day is looking like today. Woke up this morning and Dave surprised me with a little breakfast. Looks so good. So now I'm just shooting a campaign. Earlier this afternoon, Dave and I made a little fun trip out to my mom's office. My mom works in a doctor's office and we surprised her and brought her a Dunkin' Donuts coffee and some donuts to just brighten her day and surprise her and make her happy, and she loved it. She was really, really surprised, so we just did that. And then I came home and now I have to shoot a campaign. I'm doing a campaign with this really cool sock brand that hasn't launched yet. It's launching soon and they're so fun and colorful. So I have to film Instagram stories and shoot an in-feed post for it. So I'm gonna shoot most of it by myself. I need Dave's help for one picture. So I'll film a little behind the scenes, capturing the shot and shooting at home and all that fun stuff. And then I need to shoot one more look and then I need to shoot some TikToks, because I've been slacking on TikTok a little bit just because I was anxious for the launch of Instagram Reels and was trying to get content up for that. So haven't really filmed a lot of new TikTok content lately, so trying to figure out what I'm gonna put up tonight for TikTok. Hey guys, so I just wanted to check in with you all. I've had a busy morning because Instagram Reels launched today, August 5th, and it's been a very exciting morning. I had early access, as you guys know, to Reels about a week in advance, so I have been posting a ton, and it's been really cool getting to see everyone's reactions now that they can actually see the Reels and that they are live and public to everyone. So some things to know about Instagram Reels: they are short form videos, only 15 seconds long. They can live on your profile. There's a little new icon that is the Instagram Reels icon, and you have to click it to see all of your Reels. If you go to someone's profile who you want to see their Reels, you have to click that and you can see all of them. But they will also show up on your homepage when you're scrolling like normal. There will be Reels there now too, and on your Explore page, that's where you see other people's Reels as well. So if you haven't already done so, head over to my page and check it out. I've been posting a ton of fun Reels, and let me know what other kinds of Reels you want to see next. I'm really excited to play around with this feature a little bit more and experiment with it and see where it goes. Dinner tonight is Dave's specialty, his chicken parm that he always makes. The chef himself. And he's frying the chicken cutlets. Hey guys, so I just wanted to check in with you all on what I've been up to this week. So I've been super busy with Instagram Reels and kind of jumping into that. It's been really fun playing around with it and experimenting with the new feature. I've actually been having a really good time with it. I think you're able to really reach a whole new audience and a whole new community of people through this feature. So that's why I'm really enjoying it so far and just playing around with it and seeing what content I feel like performs better than others and just playing around with it and seeing how it goes, because who knows, I kind of feel like it's going to continue to take off and it's going to become a big part of the app. So really want to still focus on that. Now I just finished filming a few TikToks because I am still focusing on TikTok for sure. I love my TikTok community and the brand that I built over there, so definitely not planning on forgetting about TikTok unless it does get banned, obviously. So not really sure what's happening about that, but I did just film some TikToks, and now I want to do two things for you guys. One, I just received some fun pieces from Sept, one of my favorite brands. They have such cool stuff. They sent me some things to shoot, and then I also want to give you guys a little bathroom tour because some of you guys have seen I have that fun flamingo bathroom. That's my bathroom that Dave put the wallpaper up for me and decorated. So thought I'd give you just like a little bathroom tour, show you it, and show you some of the things in my beauty cabinet. So before I start showing you all of the pieces from Cinq, I just wanted to tell you a little bit about how this works. So Cinq is just loaning me these pieces to shoot. So before COVID and before everything, I used to work with a lot of brands and they would lend me things to shoot and then I would return them. I think it's the magazine editor in me. When I used to work at magazines, we'd do that all the time for photo shoots. That's how it worked. We'd call in pieces and borrow them and then we'd return them when we were done. So I'm borrowing these pieces from Cinq. I used to borrow pieces all the time from brands and shoot them around New York City, so I love them and I work with them a lot, so they lent me a few things to shoot now during the summer and while I'm at home and at the beach and things like that. So these pieces are so incredible. Cinq is amazing when it comes to colors and prints. So this is the first outfit. It's these silky purple, I don't know if you can see, but wide leg pants. They are so beautiful. Here's a little close-up of the fabric. So gorgeous. And then it comes with this little matching top. How adorable is this? I think I'm gonna shoot this down at the beach. I feel like it'll be a fun beach look. So the next look is made out of the same fabric as the pants and top. So it is this little dress. It gives me like slip dress vibes, but then at the bottom, I'll stand up to show you. It has this fun little knot right here. So this hangs down probably to about, it'll be hit me about on my like calf, I think. And it's super cute. I feel like this would even look cool with some like bright pink or blue boots. I feel like it would be cool. So the next look from Cinq is also a fun set. So it is this little orange top. I'm loving orange right now, and this metallic-y gold orange is really beautiful. And then it came with these fun, again, wide leg pants. And the last piece from Cinq is this adorable little dress. I'll stand up so you can see the full dress. So that's it. It's so cool to see how the light hits this fabric. I feel like it's gonna photograph really beautifully. So those are the pieces that Cinq sent me to borrow so I could shoot. So really excited to start shooting them. Thinking I might shoot some over the weekend down at the beach and then some next week too. Okay guys, so this is my bathroom that I want to give you guys a little tour of, I guess. So yes, my bathroom is covered in this fun flamingo wallpaper. Sorry if it's hard to hear me. There's this vent over here in the bathroom, so it might be a little loud, but the bathroom's covered in this flamingo wallpaper that is from Joybird. It's this cool home decor store that Dave and I love. And then there's this mirror, which is from IKEA. The sink is from IKEA and the drawers are from IKEA, so this is all from IKEA. I have my little pink soap dispenser, which I feel like matches kind of the light pink in the wallpaper, and this is from Target. So then when we open my beauty cabinet, ta-da! This is where I keep all of my makeup and all of my skincare and hair care products. So I figured I would just talk you guys through a few of the things that I love to use. So things that I love to use. I love Sunday Riley, which is a great skincare brand. I use their CEO Glow serum and face oil and moisturizer all the time. I love the Laura Mercier concealer. Mine's a little bit dirty because I've had it forever. But I use the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer under my eyes like every single day. In terms of foundation, I love Laura Mercier. I use my Chanel bronzer and blush. I love this Bare Minerals moisturizer that I use all the time. This is obviously a little bit pricier, but I love my La Mer cream to put on before I go to bed at night. I think it's great. The Sunday Riley Auto Correct. That's another great product from Sunday Riley. Another skincare brand which I love is Erno Laszlo. If you're not familiar with them, they are incredible and they make so many great night creams and moisturizers and things like that, so I use those all the time. In terms of brow products, this is from Babe Lash. It's obviously faded because I use it all the time, but it's their defining brow cream and I love it so much. I use it all the time. And then there's also the Babe Lash Volumizing Brow Filler. This is like a brow gel, and so I use these products together every day and they are incredible. Also the Olay Retinol products are great. I use those a couple of times a week when I'm going to bed at night. So that is pretty much inside my beauty cabinet. There's obviously a lot of products and I only touched on a few, but I feel like I'm kind of a skincare junkie, so I kind of rotate through skincare products a lot and I try out a lot of different things. But in terms of makeup, I really stick to like my solid foundation or tinted moisturizer, blush, bronzer kind of thing, concealer, maybe a colorful eyeliner or something like that. I don't go too crazy with makeup, my everyday makeup, but yeah, those are kind of my essentials. If you have any questions about skincare or about anything else that I use or how it works, just leave me a comment below. So that's a wrap on another week in the life vlog. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you soon.